All right, the second way that we can analyze data is by looking at what's called a spread. And all spread really means is the range of your data, how far it is from low to high. So again, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to write our data in order. So we've got 6, 14, 15, 18, 18, 19, 21, 22, 27, and 42. Okay, so there's two different types of ranges that we're going to talk about. So we're going to talk about overall range, which is just the range of all of our numbers. Okay, so the range we're going to say is from high, the difference between our high value and our low value. So it's your high value minus your low value, which in this case is 42 minus 6. So our range here is 36. What that's telling us is that over this 10-day forecast, the temperatures range by 36 degrees from 6 all the way up to 42. The second thing that we're going to talk about is an interquartile range. So for this, we're going to go back to that tutorial that you just went through on box plots and think about your median and your quartiles. Okay, so we cut our data in half first. Okay, and we found out our median was 18.5. And then we cut each of those halves in half. And we ended up with 15 being our middle number on that side and 22 being our middle number on that side. And these are the values that we're interested in interquartile range. So interquartile interq range. Okay, so your interquartile I'll spell it out all the way for you down there. Interquartile range is your Q3 value. Remember we had Q1, Q2, Q3 minus your Q1 value. And if you don't remember that, you should probably head back and take a look at the box plot tutorial. You can review that before you do this. So our Q3 number was 22, our Q1 number was 15, so our interquartile range is 7 degrees. Okay, so what this means is that over the 10 days, your forecasted temperatures are going to range by a total of 36 degrees, but for most of the days, you're only going to be ranging between 7 degrees, because remember that quartile or that box is where most of your data falls.